Today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic fried gizzards with a hint of spiciness, not too much, just mild. The outcome is going to be very yummy. So let's get cooking. First off, we are going to fry our gizzards. So you place a pan on medium-high flame, add cooking oil. Then we are going to take our gizzards and place in the pan carefully so that we can fry. That is right. Cooking oil. Spread the oil. Take your gizzards and place them in the pan. Make sure to flip your gizzards so that they can cook through. It's just a couple of minutes. The gizzards will release a lot of water, so don't worry. The water is going to reduce. So we let this cook as you flip. Chop your onions. We are going to be using 3 tomatoes. So you cut them in strips and dice them. The water has dried up, as you can see, so now my gizzards are frying. So this has taken about 5 minutes for the water to dry up. So as I wait for my gizzards to fry, I'm prepping the vegetables. So my gizzards now are ready. So now I'm going to put this in a plate. After you put that aside, make sure to use the same pan. It is full of goodness, let me tell you. Don't wash the pan. So I'm going to add cooking oil. So add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my onions. Stir. And let this cook until soft. To this I'm going to add my crushed garlic. So I've used about 4 cloves of garlic. Stir and let this cook for about 1 minute. To this I'm going to add 3 diced tomatoes. Add 2 seasoning cubes. About a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you like it more spicy, you can add 1/2 teaspoon or even 1 teaspoon. For me, because I have children, a 1/4 teaspoon is just okay. So as you can see, the tomatoes have deglazed the pan. So my tomatoes are cooked. You can use the back of your spatula to crush the tomatoes. Add about a teaspoon of white vinegar. Stir. At this point, I'm going to add my gizzards back in the pan. So now we'll add the gizzards. mix until well combined. And also at this point, you can check your seasoning. And remember, we had used 2 seasoning cubes, so they usually contain salt. So if you are to adjust the salt, it will be just a little bit. So don't add too much salt. I just need a little bit. I'm going to add about a pinch of salt. Then I stir. I'm also going to add some sesame seeds for garnish. Bell pepper. Stir. To this, I'm also going to add about a cup of water. Stir and let this cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. After an hour of amazing cooking, the outcome is so delicious as it looks. And also you can buy the gizzards from a well-stocked supermarket. So please, usiende ukichinja kila kuku ndo upate gizzards. No, you can buy them from the supermarket. So now it's time to serve and taste. So now I'm going to serve my gizzards. So if also you don't like spicy, it is optional. You can just skip that part. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I hope to see you on my next